In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Microsoft Teams status to always available. Start by opening Microsoft Teams and heading to the top right corner of the app. Click your profile picture or your initials if you don't use a photo. This opens the profile menu, which is where your present settings live. It's the quickest place to check how you're currently appearing to coworkers and to change it when you need to. In the profile menu, look for your current status. You'll see options like available, busy, do not disturb, and appear away, each with its own color and icon. Select available, the one with the green circle and a check mark. As soon as you pick it, your presence switches to online and ready, and everyone in your organization will see you as available. If Teams had you marked as busy because of a meeting or as away because of inactivity, this step overrides that for now and brings you back to green. While you're in this menu, you can also add a status message to make your availability clear. Choose Set Status Message, type a short note, something like online and available, and then choose how long you want that message to appear. You can also choose to show it automatically when people message you. This message is helpful context for teammates, especially if your presence icon changes later due to calendar events or inactivity. It doesn't lock your icon to green, but it tells people how to interpret your availability and how best to reach you. A quick note on how Teams Presence works. The app may automatically update your status based on your Outlook calendar, calls, screen sharing, or if your device goes to sleep. If that happens and you need to appear online again, simply reopen the profile menu and set yourself back to available. Keeping your device awake and the Teams app active can help you remain visible for longer. When you're finished, close the menu and continue working. Your status change takes effect immediately across the desktop and web apps, and it will sync to mobile as well. If your organization uses admin policies or custom settings, some options may look a little different, but the process is the same. Open the profile menu, choose available, and if helpful, add a clear status message with a duration. And that's how to set your Microsoft Teams status to always available. Fast, simple, and easy to repeat whenever you need it.